Maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. I am Cadet Lieutenant Laika Pipito Antig from Matabay, Alcoy, Cebu. Honor Committee Representative of Delta Company, rank 7, and a proud member of Sinaglawin Class in 2025.
I came from a simple life in a small town in Cebu, one built on love, faith, and resilience. As the eldest, I've always carried more than just my own hopes. There were expectations, spoken and unspoken, especially with a father who built a name rooted in service and respect, a name people trusted. I've always been a person who loves the thrill of new experiences. Ever since I was young, I've been active in academics, sports, and love expressing myself through the arts, especially dancing. But what many may not know is that children have always held a special place in my heart. While juggling my studies, I found time to be a tutor. And in those moments of helping young minds learn and grow, I discovered a quiet joy that deeply inspired me. It was a meaningful part of my personal growth. Becoming a cadet was never in the plan. My journey to the Philippine National Police Academy began unexpectedly. It was my godfather, a retired police officer, who first encouraged me to take the PNP CAT. At that time, I had no idea what it truly entailed. I simply took a leap of faith. To my surprise, I passed. And with every phase I overcame, a voice inside me grew louder, telling me to keep going until I found myself within the walls of the academy. It was a far cry from the degree I originally wanted. But somehow, it felt like a calling. What I once thought was a detour became a divine redirection. It was as if God was leading me to take the road less traveled, to pursue a path I never expected but was meant for me all along. My father has always been my first and greatest role model. As a public servant, he led not just with authority, but with heart. Watching how people respected him, not out of fear, but because of the way he genuinely served, taught me that leadership isn't about titles. It's about trust, humility, and consistency. He showed me that the most impactful leaders are those who lead by example, even in silence. My father taught me how to connect, not just with people, but with purpose. To every aspiring PNPA cadet out there, I know what it felt like to dream big, to wonder if you're good enough, and to face challenges that test not just your strength, but your heart. This journey isn't easy, but it's one of the most rewarding paths you can take. There will be days you'll feel tired, unsure, maybe even overwhelmed, but always go back to your reason why. Let that be your anchor. Keep your faith strong, stay grounded and disciplined, and never lose sight of the person you're becoming. If I made it, you can too. Believe in yourself. To everyone who became part of my journey, my family, mentors, friends, and even those who prayed for me quietly from afar, thank you from the bottom of my heart. The PNPA was never an easy road. You may not realize it, but every word of encouragement, every sacrifice, and every moment you believe in me, even when I doubted myself, helped carry me through the toughest times. This journey was never mine alone. It was built on your love, your faith, and your unwavering support. To my parents, you are the reason I never gave up. Mama, your quiet resilience reminded me to stay grounded. Pa, your name and service inspired me to rise with purpose. To my mentors who guided me with wisdom and patience, and to my friends who reminded me that I didn't have to carry everything alone. This achievement is as much yours as it is mine. Wala ko nakaabot diri nga ako lang. Matag sakripisyo, matag pag-ampo, ug matag gamay nga mapagtuon ninyo kanako. Mooy nakapadayon nako. Daghang salamat sa inyo.